Thanks, Timmy. I had to make it go away. They don't like it. And you're right, you're right, You got it right. Yamaka. Good luck, everybody. Just what Wise said. Good luck, everybody. Everybody spread good joy. Maybe we can pull some nastiness, all right? We start with the Diami Brown, Jameis Winston, Amir Smith Marset, Falk, Evans, ETN rookie for the Jags. We'll take that. Teddy Bridgewater, Nico Collins for the Texans. We definitely take that. And looky here for Scotty, a Justin Fields silver die cut rookie. Trey Lance on the turbocharged. Antonio Brown, hidden talent. Tony Romo for them boys. It's going out to James because he likes that. Tyson Williams for the Ravens. A Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos. Morig for the Raiders on the die cut. Demetric Felton for the Browns. Rashad Bateman for the Ravens. Tyrell Williams. And good old Anthony Schwartz for the Browns. And Austin Eckler to end it out. Not the worst thing in the world. Not the worst hanger in the world. That Fields pretty nasty. That Fields is pretty nasty. And we got a Nico Collins and a Travis Etienne. I say that's a good start. That's a good start. Let's get something back here. A little Justin Fields action. Scotty, are you in here? And if you see a card that you think I should be top loading, don't worry about it. I'm going to, but for, time's sake, I am going to take care of them by putting penny sleeves on them. But if they're not something, you know what I'm getting at. I think I can confidently say I probably top load too much. It's a problem, but it's my problem, not yours. I can, Jared. I can send him all kinds of base. You want me to send him a bunch of base? I'm gonna send him 8 boxes of base. Some of it's his. $10 days until a cruise. Oh boy, we're gonna get a break live from the cruise ship. Probably wouldn't be a good idea. Rob Gronkowski, Joe Tryon, Jamar Chase, rookie. There you go, Bengals. Lambjack, Kyle Trask, Derek Carr, Tylan Wallace, rookie. Pepe Manning, Hunter Long for the Dolphins on the die cut, rookie. Jalen Waddle for the Dolphins on the turbocharged, rookie. John Randall, Sam Ellinger, Elijah Moore, played pretty good for the Browns, but this goes to the Jets. Good old Mac Jones on the die cut for the Pats. Darius Leonard for the Colts. Jerry Jeudy, another Nico Collins. Eli Mitchell, Justin Fields again, and an Adam Thielen. So those were filled with little Fields and Jamar Chases and Waddles and whatnot. We love it. We love it. Little hanger packs, spreading out the love to everybody. Blast from the past. All right. Let's get you top loaded too, Jalen. You're a pretty good player. You're a pretty good player, man. Pretty good player. If I do say so myself. Don't worry. We'll be happy now. All right, you guys. What do you want to do? Should we open the 2023 hangers? Probably. Let's open. No. Yeah, let's open those. Let's open the 2023 hangers. See what's chilling up in there. Look at all the rookies that come out of these hangers. Bam. Rookie. 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 2023 hanger, yeah? It's unbelievable. Thanks, ETN. Way to mess everything up. Yep. Hanger time. James, you stop talking your trash, okay? You stop it right now. No, Ben, you've only missed 2 select hangers. More than any Falcons chilling in it. Adam Thielen, empty box. Yep. Grozen. Russell Wilson. Let's do Thielen first. Let's do a little Thielen action first. Good luck, everybody. Thielen, Hutchinson, Jackson, Vander Esch, Jones, Chubb, Thomas, Hooper, Warner, Henry, Watkins, Burks. Our first base rookie is Anton Harrison for the Jags. A silver hollow, Cardinal, Joshua Dobbs. Poor guy. Najee, headed out to the Steelers. Take that, Steelers. Trayvon Williams for the Bengals. A Cooper Kupp for the Rams. It's a start, Fred. Not the one you wanted, obviously, but B.J. Ojolari. On the fireworks, Patty Mahomes, not a Prism, brother, but we'll take a Patty Mahomes and a T.J. Watt on the hype. Steelers hanger. Little Patty Mahomes action. T.J. Watt. Najee. And a little Cooper Kupp action. Poor Joshua Dobbs. He had what a high and a low for him. But that's the way the cookie crumbles right there. Hanger number D. I see 47, 48 people in this room. I don't have that many people in this break. If you like breaking, give your boy a follow. Give your boy a follow. You might want to get in one day. Wilson, Ferguson, Allen, Elway, Moss, Adams, Pierce, Tranquil, Evans, Sauce Gardner, Tariq Woolen, Honey Badger, Jahmyr Gibbs on the base for the Detroit Lions, headed out to James. Silver Hollow, Stetson Bennett for the Rams. Getting closer, Fred. Mark Andrews for the Ravens. John Randall for the Vikings. Big Frit. Kenny Pickett, Steelers everywhere tonight. Jaden Reed, that's nice. On the green wave for the Packers. Who got the Packers tonight? James, that's nice, James. Slab that up, bro. Desmond Ritter on the Prismatic. And on the fireworks. Green wave. It's a Raider. Devontae Adams for the Raiders with a kid reporter. A little love for the Raiders. Just like that. Just like that. But that Jaden Reed's nasty, dog. I'd slab that bad boy up. I'd slab that bad boy up. You know what I mean? We're going to do that Select 2022 Mega next because that's what I'm feeling. That's what I'm feeling. We haven't opened the 2020 yet either. I'm waiting on that. We're going to do that next. We're going to do the Select, Mega, and then we're going to do the 2 Chronicles hangers and finish out with those bad boys right there. Right. Come on, Fred. Let's get it, bro. Don't bust all over the place yet, James. We're not there yet. Clean up now. 6 packs per box, 7 cards per pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Empty box. Empty box. Jack Sanborn. Patty Mahomes. Got to watch out for these die cuts. Terry McLaurin. DeMar Hamlin. Country, who do you have again? You got the Seahawks and you've got the Commanders. Okay. And don't worry if you don't do well. You'll be all right. I got you, dog. DeMar Hamlin, Russell Wilson on the die cut, Minka Fitzpatrick, Steelers everywhere, and a Pacheco rookie for the Chiefs. There you go, brother. It's not a prism, but still, we'll take it. We'll take it. I hope can we get a case hit for a change, you know? Amon-Ra, Dicker the Kicker, Lamb Jack, this guy for the Texans, Nakobe Dean for the Eagles, Patty Surtain for the Broncos, and a turbocharged Jalen Hurts. Little Surtain action. And a little love for the Eagles, a little Nakobe Dean. You know what it is. It was penny sleeves. Rah! Chris Olave for the Saints. There we go. Jake Ferguson for Dallas. Keep them coming. Alec Pierce for the Colts. Come on, don't stop. Kobe Bryant for the Seahawks. Kyle Pitts, die cut for the Falcons. Tyquan Thornton for the Pats. And a Josh Allen on the numbers. Not a prism, but it is a Josh Allen. So we, of course, take that. Little Tyquan Thornton action for the Pats. Okay. And no bent. There's our first Falcon. It's got to start somewhere. A little Alec Pierce action for the Colts. Jake Ferguson for James because he's got a chubby. You know, he likes Jake Ferguson. He's his boy. And, of course, Chris Olave. So now we just need a Kenneth Walker III and a Brock Purdy. Both of them being here in this pack. Mr. Brisker, Derek Carr, Trayvon Walker for the Jags, Devontae Smith. We got a Dolphin. Tua Tagovailoa headed out to James on the die cut. John Mechie III for the Texans, rookie, headed out to Wise, and a Matt Corral for the Panthers. Tua Tagovailoa raviolis. I'm getting better at that, Scotty. Aren't you proud of me? I won't do it anymore. I won't steal it from you. But I like it. So I might use it every once in a while. Just a little bit. Just every once in a while. Khalil Shakir for the Bills. Jamison Williams for the Lions. I know him. Keenan Allen. Cam Taylor-Britt for the Bengals. Lewis Sign, rookie die cut for the Vikings. Scary Terry McLaurin for the Commanders. There you go, country. It's a little something, something. And a Bailey Zappi rookie for the Pats. So we got a Mac Jones and the Pats are showing up. The Pats are showing up. I told you don't ever know who it's going to be. You don't ever know. Could be any of them. I'm gonna put my boy J-Mo up there. He's my boy. Get on up there, J-Mo. Nice touchdown in the NFC Championship game. It was nasty. It was nasty. We'll take a Scary Terry die cut, country. We'll take that and a Lewis Sign for the Vikings. 1 pack left of the 2022. Come on, Fred. Come on. Where's he at? Enough's enough. Penning, Donovan Wilson, Jonathan Taylor, Myles Garrett, Zamir White for the Raiders on the rookie die cut. Chris Olave on the die cut. Very nice. Who came in and snatched up them Saints? Tripod, Book It, and a Tyler Lockett turbocharged. God, dog it, Fred. He just won't do it, will he? That's all right. I got what I told you I was going to get. So it'll be in the next one we ship out to you. I hope you like it. All right, we're going 2020 now. It's 2020 time. In this bitch. All right. 2020. This thing was full of rookies last night. Let's see who's in this one. And I won't be live again until Thursday. But we're going to be doing some Phoenix. I know that much. Probably 2 Phoenix hobbies. Probably. Maybe. Probably. Drew Brees is on the front of this one with an empty box. Troy Polamalu is on this one. Let's see if we can get nasty. Can we get a little nasty? Drew Brees, CeeDee Lamb, take it. Troy Polamalu, Deshaun Watson, Derrick Henry, Keenan Allen, Jim Kelly, Michael Thomas, Mike Evans, Derek Carr, Roquan Smith, Jordan Love for the pack. That's going to James. Chase Claypool for the Steelers. Steelers still eating. Joseph Burrow for the Bengals. There we go on the classic. Who dat? Brandon Ayuk for the Niners rookie. Take that. Joseph Burrow on the Dynagon. Who dat? CeeDee Lamb again. So that's 2 Burrows, 2 Lambs. 3 Burrows. Clyde Edwards-Helaire for the Chiefs. Jordan Love, that's 2 Jordan Loves. CeeDee Lamb, that's 3 CeeDee Lambs. A Justin Jefferson for the Vikings. Look at this. James Robinson for the Jags. DeAndre Swift for the Lions. Malik Harrison for the Ravens. Oh, we got another Chief. Who's that? Who is that? Oh, L'Jarius Sneed for the Chiefs. Darnell Mooney for the Bears. Chase Young for the Commanders. Darnell Mooney for the Bears. And on the rated rookie, I can't see. Oh, What's going on here? Oh, I couldn't see it because there's two of them. CeeDee Lamb and Devin Duvernay. Ravens and Cowboys. Well, well, well. There was just, 4 CeeDee Lamb rookies in there. 3 Burrows. 2 Jordan Loves. And a Justin Jefferson. You like that? Was that pretty good? Look at this. Just bleep, bleep, bleep. And there was a little Ayuk chilling in there. Couple of Chiefs, a Bear, just spreading out the love. And we got a whole nother one to do. Look at this, 3 Joe Burrows. Well, well, well. Who ended up doing that? Who ended up saying, yeah, I'm going to take the Bengals. I'm not waiting. Mr. Castro. I like it. It was a good call. It was a good call. All right. Maybe Polamalu, Watson, Henry, Allen, Kelly, Thomas, Evans, Carr, Lewis. Where's our rookies at? Newton, Hopkins, Tua Tagovailoa, Jalen Rager. Let's flip these over. LaMichael P. Ryan. Oh, we got one. I don't know if it's a prism or not, but Jerry Jeudy and Chase Claypool on the Prism Black. It is not a prism, unfortunately, but still a Prism Black for the Steelers. Jalen Johnson, another Jordan Love. Okay. Jerry Jeudy. That's 2 Jerry Judys. Another Tua. That's 2 Tuas. J.K. Dobbins. Jalen Hurts. There he is. For the Eagles. Chase Young. For the Commanders. CeeDee Lamb again. I think that's 5 CeeDee Lambs. A DeAndre Swift. Good old Henry Ruggs. T. Higgins. Joe Burrow. Darrington Evans. And a J.K. Dobbins to end it out. Now, see, I kind of like J.K. Dobbins. I know he got hurt this year, but he's a grinder. I like it. He'd fit in well with Detroit. And the Broncos got a little love. 2 Jerry Judys up in here. How about that? All right, folks. It's all the goodies next. That's all we've got left is goodies, goodies, goodies. Oh, that Burrow's a variation, too. It looks like yellow or orange. Look at all these. Look at all these rookies. God, dog. The hangers are paying for the spot all by itself. Packers paid, Dolphins paid, Bengals paid. And Mr. Claypool. It's mega time. All right, folks, let's get into the goodies. Well, these are the boxes you're going to want to hit in, country. There are no Commanders. You knew that when you got them. But the Seahawks. Negative, Will. Negative. But we've got a mega and 2 hobbies left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Empty box. Purple Pulsar time. Eddie Jackson, Christian Watson, Kenneth Walker III, Michael Thomas. For the Jags, rookie Tank Bigsby. Take that. Justin Shorter and a Micah Parsons on the hype. It's not a prism, but it is a Micah Parsons. Let's get the little Tank Bigsby back there. It's a nice looking card. It's the mem. Vander Esch, Cup, Bettis, Silver Hollow Seahawks, Zach Charbonnet. Now we're talking. Take that, country. We take that. Pull from the back. Mozzie Smith. For the Vikings, Jordan Addison. And let's see what's chilling here. C.O. C.O. Is it Chris Olave? Chris Olave on the Purple Pulsar patch. Purple Pulsar patch. Purple Pulsar patch. Purple Pulsar patch. Okay. Let's get old Charbonnet taken care of here. Khalil Shakir, Robert Woods, Sammy Howell, Kenny Pickett. For the Titans, not a rookie. Of course, it's Ryan Tannehill. Tanner McKee and a Dylan Horton for the Texans with a kid reporter chilling in the back. Good old Ryan Tannehill. Little Jordan Humphrey, Marcus Allen, Derek Forrest, Silver Hollow, Drew Bledsoe. For the Pats, Zach Harrison for the Falcons. Not the one we wanted, no bent. Will Levis on the base. And a prism break, CJ Stroud. Wise, it's not a prism, but he has made his first appearance of the night. And obviously no bent. We wanted this to be somebody else. But, yes, the patch is Olave. It's not a rookie, but it's still nasty. Pats are doing just fine. Need to hold my tongue next time. Fields, Ingram, Reddick, Onkwo, Purple, Charger, Justin Herbert, yeah, buddy. That's going to James. Byron Young, and Darnell Wright with a kid reporter. 1 pack left, and then it's all hobbies, folks. Then it's all hobbies. We're going to do the certified first. We're going to do the certified first, and then end up in that rookies and stars. And like I said, I won't be back on again until Thursday. But on Thursday, I think I'm going to do 2 Phoenix hobbies. With other stuff, obviously, but that's the plan. I want to do 2 Phoenix hobbies. They've been really good. Ertz, I gave him a break tonight because that's all I've had him in pretty much every one for a long time. Garrett Wilson, Devontae Adams on the silver hollow for the Raiders. Purple Panther. It's not a rookie, bro. Luke Kuechly, though, not the worst thing in the world to hit. Kayshon Boutte and Marvin Mims. Look at this. The Pats hit again and again and again. Broncos aren't doing terrible either. We'll take a Kuechly, Spence. Don't hate, dog. Don't hate. All right, we're getting into the nitty-gritty now. We're getting into the nitty-gritty. Good luck, everybody. Certified time. There are 5 cards per pack, 10 packs per box. And this one seems a little thicker than normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And this sucker is massive. That one was kind of big. Is that it? Maybe that one. All right. Good luck, everybody. Empty box. No surprises. We got all our packs. Let's see what's in them. Hang on. Let me fix this base here real quick. Prism likes to slide around. TJ Hawkinson, Josh Jacobs, Kayvon Thibodeau, MS52. I think this is an auto. For the Giants, Otis Anderson, old boy in the cut, headed to Will at a 25. Nice auto, too. Little Otis Anderson action. And then an Amon-Ra on the calling cards for the Detroit Lions. What y'all know about Otis Anderson? That boy don't play. He'll biggie boy you. Out of 25, too. Joseph Bosa, Zach Ertz, Grady Jarrett, upside down. Kenny Pickett out of 349 and an Aaron Donald for the Rams on the franchise foundations. Fred, you've hit just about every Ram. I think maybe Kurt Warner's left. And then your boy. Otis Anderson was a damn good player. So was Charles Way, but a lot of people don't remember Charles Way. I remember Charles Way. Chris Olave, Amon-Ra, Tyreek Hill. For the Raiders, Max Crosby, out of 199. These cards are so clean. Look at that. And a Kenneth Walker III on the calling cards out of 50, bro. There you go. That's making up for having a bad day earlier. You got a Zach Charbonnet Silver Hollow, slab it, and a Kenneth Walker out of 50, slab it. Holla at the Seahawks. And we ain't even done yet. We got all these packs and another hobby. Brant, you do need some Ravens. This is probably the most Raven I mean, there's been this and that, but nothing. Ravens usually have a stack. Barkley, David. There you go, Travis. You feel better about life now? Mac Jones. Wide receiver Joshua Downs for the Colts. Out of 199. We take those. And a certified stars Mark Andrews. All right, let's keep it going. This has been a good box. Come on. Don't stop. Don't you stop. Roquan Smith, Brian Burns, Adam Thielen, Nick Bosa. This was our base pack. And a Dan Hampton on the Immortals for the Browns with a kid reporter. And I know Scotty's been waiting. He's like, bro, when are you going to pull me a nice Dan Hampton, bro? Well, today was the day, Scotty. Today was the day. Tony Pollard, Treylon Burks, Christian Wilkins for the pack. Christian Watson, and this is out of 50. Another out of 50. This is an excellent box. And Micah Parsons for the Dallas Cowboys on the certified stars. How you doing? Oh, yeah? CeeDee Lamb, Geno Smith, Deshaun Watson, and for the Seahawks, Devin Witherspoon out of 275 with the Naheem Hines on the gold team for the Bills. And I think it's nothing but goods left here, folks. Hopefully it's good players, but nothing but the goods. Yes, there's a whole nother. We still got rookies and stars after this. Got a mem here of some sort. Aaron Jones, Patty Surtain, Derrick Henry. Good luck, everybody. MNG for the Chargers. Quentin Johnston for the Chargers. Patch, new generation out of 399. That is headed to the one and only James, and a Mike Evans on the certified stars for the Bucks. We hadn't gotten a whole lot of Bucks, so it was nice to at least see one Buccaneer. Is he a little bit thicker than the... Nope, he's not. Oh, no, they both feel pretty thick, so... Oh, yeah, this one's real thick. All right. Desmond Ridder, DJ Moore, Devin White. We like those colors. Number 3. Miles Sanders, bro. Yeah, dog it. Well, at least it's a nasty patch out of 35. And a Devontae Adams for the Raiders out of 149. Bro, it's not him, but still, at least it was a low-numbered patch. It's not the worst thing in the world. Although, he didn't have the greatest first year there. That's for sure. I need the big boy for this one. I know, bro. Trust me, I know. Look how big that patch is, though. Goodness gracious. All right, so here we go. Come on, baby. Give us something nasty. Lambjack, Mayfield, Fields. It's going this way. Oh, yeah. For the Chiefs, Rashee Rice, bro. Get up and get happy. What is this out of? Oh my God. Out of 10. First on print out of 10. Look at that frickin' patch. Hey, Chester, I think you found the right place to start doing this. Take my time. Take my time. Oh, that's just nasty. That's just nasty. First on print out of 10, and look at that frickin' patch. And then the last card was a Tim Brown for the Raiders on the Immortals with the Kid Reporter. Well. We're not done yet. It's time for Rookies and Stars. User, I'm not really sure, but out of 10 RPAs, that's usually a good thing. But not only that, but that somebody's going to want that just for that patch. Like Scotty probably wants that card right now, even though he probably has 50,000 Rashee Rices. Empty box. Should be 6 packs, folks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This one felt awfully thick. If you posted that on eBay, somebody'd buy it immediately. Tannehill, Schultz, Swift. I think we got an auto. Maybe. Who is that? Riley Moss for the Denver Broncos. So the Broncos get a little love. Out of 299, rookie auto. A Aaron Jones out of 199 for the Pack. Derrick Henry standing ovation. Jonathan Taylor, man in motion. Jordan Love airborne. I don't think this is numbered, James, but we'll check. It is not. We got a Will Anderson Jr. and a Drew Sanders for the Broncos. Broncos pack. How about that? Actually, Packers pack. There's two Packers in there too. We take Jordan Love airborne. Last Team Magic. Hits a little deed. And I'll do a recap at the end, you guys, of everything that's sitting back there. Hubbard. Stafford. Look at this. Ritter. Micah Parsons for the Dallas Cowboys on the big time patch out of 399. Tyler Lacey for the Jags out of 199. Jalen Hurts, touchdown club. Dalton Kincaid, rookie for the Bills. Airborne, Matt Stafford, I think this is numbered. Out of 75 for the Rams. Bro, you're just hitting every little Ram except him. Sean Clifford and Clayton Tune. Wise, you still with me? You still with me, Wise? Did you give up? Did you give up yet? We got 4 packs left. Robinson, Singletary, Devontae Smith, Amari Cooper. Oh yeah, country, don't go anywhere. You know damn right. Thrillers auto, Jackson Smith and Jigba. At a 25. Ooh, baby. At a 25. Hey, Primo, which team's the best team left? Which one should I get? This one. Tyreek Hill on the standing ovation. Devontae Adams out of 125. Oh, boy. John Elway on the Crusade. I don't think this is numbered. It is not. Jake Hayner and a Trey Tucker. A little Devontae Adams action out of 125, dog. Holla. Holla at your boy. And a John Elway. 3 packs left. 3 packs left. And they've been doing all right. Raiders been doing all right. Sid's going to be happy whenever... He probably doesn't watch the videos. But, I mean, it wasn't anything crazy, but they've been everywhere. Waddle. London. T-Law. TJ Watt. For the Brownies. Amari Cooper out of 199. Man in Motion, Joe Mixon. Quentin Johnston on the draft class. Another numbered Matt Stafford. Out of 99. DeMarvion Overshown. And Kalijah Cansey. 2 packs left, Waz. 2 packs left, bro. There were 2 numbered Matt Staffords in here. You've got a chance. Yeah, dude. No, Bent, you're not lying. I'll take, well, you already know. You've been at my breaks before. I don't leave anyone hanging. $7 million. Cortland Sutton. Mike Gesicki. John Mechie. Patch. That's all right. We'll take a patch of Will Anderson Jr. out of 399. Behind that, Harrison Smith out of 149. B. John on the rookie rush. Man in Motion, Lamb Jack out of 125. We needed that, Ravens. Crusade, T-Law for the Jags. We'll take that. I don't think it's numbered, but we'll check. Negative. Jair Brown and Tyson Bagent. Well, Mr. Bagent. I know somebody that was talking mad trash about that guy. His name's Giuseppe. And he was holding select hobbies hostage like they were the best things ever. Bagent's in it, man. Bagent's in it. All right. Sorry, Wise. You know how this game goes. You know how it goes up in here. But at least you didn't get nothing, you know. And a little B, John. Last pack magic. ETN, Najee, Micah, Jaron Hall out of 49. Nice patch for the Vikings. Devin Witherspoon for the Seahawks out of 149. CeeDee Lamb on the Man in Motion. Jordan Addison. For the Colts, Anthony Richardson. I believe this is going to be numbered. It is not. I can't ever tell with these. I guess like the colors change down here, I guess, and right here. But still, stellar rookies. Anthony Richardson with a Luke Musgrave and another Bijan to end it out. Wise, he didn't do it for you, bro. He's been missing for a while now. I'm just going to go ahead and say it. Y'all better get ready because within the next 3 breaks, something nasty CJ Stroud's going to come out. I'm telling you right now. Thank you, Scotty. And I'll do a recap here in a second. Let me get these other ones top loaded. Thanks, Fred. I'll be back on Thursday. Y'all look Thursday morning for the next break. It's going to be nasty. Don't tell nobody, but then tell everybody after you get your squads. And let's take care of this gentleman right here. All right, you guys. Let's do a little recap action. So you got Jaron Hall out of 49 patch for the Vikings. Devin Witherspoon out of 149. Bijan Robinson. Trevor Lawrence. Harrison Smith out of 149. Matt Stafford out of 99. Amari Cooper out of 199. Crusades John Elway. Micah Parsons patch out of 399. Stafford out of 75. Rashee Rice. RPA. First on print out of 10. Look at that freaking patch. Congratulations, bro. That's just nasty. It's just nasty. Stellar rookies. Yes, you did. You pulled an auto out of 25, country. And other things, too. You're paid, dog. You're more than paid. I pay that card's going to pay for whatever breaks you did terrible in today. Stellar rookies. Anthony Richardson, Jordan Addison, Will Anderson out of 399 patch. Lamb Jack out of 125. Is that 125? Yep. Out of 125, Devontae Adams. Thrillers, Jackson Smith and Jigba Auto out of 25. 9 out of 25 to be exact. Aaron Jones out of 199. Riley Moss out of 299. Out of 35, Miles Sanders, patch, and a Micah Parsons certified stars. And if you missed anything, I'll have the replay up by tomorrow, hopefully. Usually. It'll be up in the morning. All right. TJ Watt. ETN rookie. Collins rookie. Chase rookie. Tony Romo. Die cut Justin Jefferson, rookie. Jaden Reed, rookie. Jahmyr Gibbs base. Cooper Kupp. Najee. Waddle rookie. Another Fields rookie. Another Nico Collins rookie. Isaiah Pacheco rookie. Nakobe Dean. Patty Surtain. Kyle Pitts. Devontae Adams. Burrow rookie. Love rookie. Olave die cut rookie. McLaurin die cut. Tua die cut. Olave rookie. Tua rookie. Dobbins. Ayuk rookie. CeeDee Lamb. Jordan Love. CeeDee Lamb. Joe Burrow. Rookie. CeeDee Lamb. Kenneth Walker out of 50. Devontae Adams Silver Hollow. Will Levis. Jerry Jeudy rookie. Joe Burrow rookie. CeeDee Lamb rookie. Justin Jefferson rookie. Zamir White die cut rookie. Jameson Williams rookie. Devontae Adams out of 149. Josh Downs, I forgot about this, out of 199. That's nice. Kenny Pickett out of 349. Otis Anderson auto out of 25. Herbie Purple Pulsar. CJ Stroud Prism Break. Addison base. Tua rookie. Tyler Lacey for the Jags out of 199. Jordan Love Airborne. Quentin Johnston out of 399. Max Crosby out of 199. Luke Kuechly Purple Pulsar. Chris Olave patch Purple Pulsar. Jordan Love rookie. Jalen Hurts rookie. CeeDee Lamb rookie. T. Higgins rookie. Christian Watson out of 50 for the pack. Zach Charbonnet Silver Hollow. And a Tank Bigsby Purple Pulsar for the Jags to end it out. It's a pretty darn good break. I know some people missed, but that's how it goes. Like I said, I'll be back on Thursday, you guys. We're going to do 2 Phoenixes and some other goodies. But yeah, I'll post that video Thursday morning for Thursday night. Country, if you want to comp them, bro, all you have to do is go on eBay and put that card in there. But you might not be able to find it because one of them's maybe it's out of 25, so it's kind of hard to comp sometimes. But put that exact card in there, and then you can look them up on eBay. But everybody have a good night. Be on the lookout Thursday morning because we're going to be doing it all over again Thursday night. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a good night. Primo's going to get some grub. I will see you in a day.